The Supreme Court of the United States ruled homosexual marriage is now legal in all 50 states. I was invited to appear on CNN to give my views, and here are some of what I said and what needs to be said. This is a devastating ruling on many levels, legally, spiritually, and socially. Homosexual marriage won, but the victory was obtained through judicial tyranny. Chief Justice John Roberts said, "If you're for homosexual marriage, you can celebrate the decision, but, quote, do not celebrate the Constitution. It had nothing to do with it." If 5 justices can arbitrarily say homosexual marriage must be recognized, then why not allow for all and every other kind of marriage, like polygamy, group marriage, or even incestuous marriages? Morally, the Bible could not be more clear. Homosexuality is consistently condemned in the strongest possible terms. In Romans 1 we read, "For this reason God gave them up to dishonorable passions, for their women exchanged their natural relations for those that are contrary to nature, and the men likewise gave up their natural relations with women, and were consumed with passion for one another, men committing shameless acts with men, and receiving in themselves the due penalty for their error." Now comes the battle over religious liberty. Will churches lose their tax exemption for refusing to perform homosexual weddings? Will Christians be forced to violate their conscience and provide goods and services for those weddings? Science proves living a homosexual lifestyle is devastating, medically and psychologically. It's not loving to encourage people to violate God's moral law, especially when the consequences are so destructive. Now we're sending a morally confused message to our children and grandchildren. God is not pleased. The good news is this ruling will ultimately be overturned. The real triune Supreme Court in heaven has already ruled. Marriage is the union of one man and one woman. We can confidently celebrate that which God has ordained because time and eternity are on our side.
Get involved. Make a difference. Visit us online at defendchristians.org. That's defendchristians.org.